We are very excited to be announcing this award.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And the award for Best Tradition, Sauma 2019, goes to Inkunzi Yehlathi Zilongo.
Inkunzi Yehlathi igama lokuzalwa uKhayelihle Inkunzi uKhayelihle wakazwane bafothi awadame S2 since ngiseindustry le. Okusho ukuthi ethemba likhona. Ngiyabonga kubo bonke abaphathi beSauma Awards nawo wonke umuntu okhona la nakubo bonke abalandeli bami ngithi haleluya. Umkhulu uNkulunkulu.
Molweni. Igama lami ngusisanda Gwaqa. So I'm here to present the Best Afropop Award.